कुछ भाषण करके हम लोग के बीच संबोधन करने जा रहे हैं। दिव्यांशु जी के लिए जोरदार ताली।
Good morning, respected principal teachers and my dear friends. My name is Divyanshu Kumar and my father name is Abhyas Raj. My school name is Gyan Sagar Academy. I study in class 2. I am going to deliver a English speech on Republic Day. Today we are to celebrate Republic Day. The day ever came into effect in 1915, making India a truly democratic nation. This day honors the vision of our freedom fighter and the architect of our constitution. Like Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who gave us right and liberty, ensuring equality and justice for all. Let us pledge to be responsible citizens